In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly in Chrome step by step so you can start improving your writing, catching mistakes faster, and getting helpful suggestions right inside your browser. This is a quick and easy setup, and by the end of this tutorial, Grammarly will be installed and ready to use on your Chrome browser. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before you begin, make sure you're connected to the internet because Chrome needs access to the web store to download the extension properly. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings and tools menu. From there, hover over Extensions. A side menu will appear, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you straight to the official store where you can safely install browser extensions. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search box and type Grammarly. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will show you search results, and you should see Grammarly, AI Writing Assistant, near the top. Make sure you choose the official extension since that is the version you want to install. Next, click on Grammarly, AI Writing Assistant to open the extension details page. On this page, you can review what the extension does, check the rating, and make sure it's the correct tool before installing it. Once you've confirmed that, look for the Add to Chrome button and click it. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation and may show you a list of permissions the extension needs in order to work properly. When that confirmation window appears, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install Grammarly for you. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this usually only takes a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, Grammarly will be added to Chrome, and you may see its icon in your extensions area. At this point, Grammarly is installed, and you're ready to start using it while you browse, write emails, create documents, or work on anything that requires better spelling and grammar. If needed, you can pin the extension for easier access from the Chrome toolbar, so it's always ready when you need it. And that's it! You've successfully installed Grammarly in Chrome. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.